Here's a video of Wei's Libra board on my test bench. I noticed immediately its fusing and jumpering situation is different, but I was able to figure it out and applied power up here. You see the LED is lit and everything actually works. So here we go on the test switch. We're going to press it. You see the two LEDs light up for the motors in one direction. I can cancel the move and then cause the motors to reverse in sequence. Cancel the move. I programmed this remote control to work with this board. Get it to work too. That's the opening. Cancel. Here's the closing. And the cancel. So as far as I can tell, this board works just fine.